Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start now by confirming power and account access so the reset finishes cleanly. First, make sure the Nest display is on. If it's blank, give it 10-15 minutes plugged in or on the C wire to recover. Once the screen is active, you'll be ready to access the settings menu. You need your Google account email and Wi-Fi password available because you'll sign back in after the reset. Now position your hand on the thermostat ring to begin. You'll now perform the factory reset step by step. Press the ring to open Quick View, then rotate to the settings gear icon and press to enter. This is how Nest structures its menus. Choose Reset and then All Settings. When prompted, press and hold the center to confirm the factory wipe. The thermostat will erase configurations and reboot. Make sure you don't remove power while it's completing this 5-10 minute process, because interruptions can leave the device in an inconsistent state. Finish by reconfiguring the thermostat after reboot. You'll follow on screen prompts to choose language, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign into your Google account so previous integrations can be restored. Then walk through equipment setup to confirm wire detection and test heating or cooling responses. If you encounter issues, try one clear troubleshooting tip. Perform a second reset or a simple power cycle. Then verify Wi-Fi name and password, and that your router or Nest Hub is within a reasonable range for pairing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.